So having created new fields in our tables, let us look about how can we add attributes to the columns that we create in a table. Now to look into this matter, we need to go under the fields tab in the properties section over here and say I am in the employee number field right now. All I need to do is click on the name and caption button. Now, when I'll click on this button, a menu would be opened, which would indicate that is this the name that I want to give to this table. Say I change it slightly to employee number now. I can also add caption to this. Say employee numbers for R&D department, and I can give it a description also that modified by say an individual called DSP. Then clicking the OK button would change the name of the column from employee number for two employee numbers for R&D department. And you can see that this is merely a label that has been given to the variable that you have over here. But in reality, the name of the variable still remains employee number, NUMBER. And it's worthwhile to pause over here and take a slight detour into understanding what is the difference between a label and the name of a variable in MS Access table. So a label is merely say you like the initials of your signature. They're not your complete signature, but merely indicate what person has say has signing authority into this. So signatures would mean the actual verifiable entity that represents you. So the name of the variable also is like the signature for that field with which it is going to be used or accessed in the future by everybody. In maybe it be in the SQL environment, be it be in the VBA environment, or in the table itself. But the labels, that is the caption in this case, merely used to change the way this column appears over here to a different text. And But it has no empirical whatsoever in its use in VBA codes or SQL codes or in this table itself. It's merely indicating what is the alias for the original variable name here only. The next thing to explore in this section is the default value, and it's a very good functionality given to us by MS Access. And we're going to start off with a very basic understanding of what a default value could be created with, and in the next session we're going to move into the advanced options. So let's say we enter the default value of this variable to be 3. So what I am essentially doing while creating up 3 as a default value is that, so say I go ahead and type in a name called Ina. So as you can see, when a new row was created, the value that I had entered for this column as its default value has automatically appeared under its variable. And this is not just true for this row only. I can go ahead and start entering it for others, and you can see even then in the next row the default value of employee numbers just came in. So this is applicable to not just this variable itself, this is applicable to all the variables. So I can go ahead and change the default value to say an individual called DSP. So the moment I will enter OK into this, you will notice that the value of DSP automatically appeared in it. And say I change the value of this to 50 now. So moving forward, not only the default value of the second column appeared, but the default value of the variable first name also appeared in the next row. So in the next session, we are going to understand some more advanced options available to us while assigning default values to a variable. Stay tuned for more. Thank you for watching.